Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 43 AMG. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 20-inch 5-spoke black accent wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, night package with black accents on the front, side, and the rear. Bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the side, black MB-Tex interior with a black piano lacquer trim, panorama sunroof, rear heated seats, AMG GLE 43 badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 3 package with driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, lane keep assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, AMG illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 20,993 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.